mother wig up.
Excuse me. Oh shit. Good thinking. You good? I don't know how to get out of the den. Oh, I've been crawling. Goodbye. What happened? Oh god, for real? Are you sure? My laggy ass? Ah, the beast is coming. Oh, the beast. Oh fuck! Oh shit! Oh, the beast! The thing! It's right there! Oh fuck! Oh no, Mr. Beast, get away from me. Also, you see what I'm trying to do, right? Oh, never mind. Fuck. No moon. I had a fucking spear jolted into me. By mine own mother. No. Shit. Oh, yo? Fuck. Fucking let me go. Oh my god, sex. I didn't even realize it. Right there. OMG, sex. I could give her my body. What's she gonna do with it? She petting my dead body. Why? Oh. Mr. Breast has come. Simply die. Demon. What? Huh? What? Why can I do that? I like this. This one's cool. Oh, child. Kill him. Yo. Oh, lovely. Oh my god, are you sure? Are you sure? Because I'm pretty positive I can't kill anything. Oh fuck, I'm not confident in this. Okay. Oh, I can kill things, you were right. Fucking die, beast. Oh, why did it lag? Why did it... Whoa! Oh, bad thing to lag into. Oh, wait. Why are there fucking 3 of them? Oh, fuck. Oh, that's gross. I hate that. Oh, get away from me, beast! I hate it. I'm not even like arachnophobic, but they like made the spiders so horrible in this. Oh! Oh, thing! Get that away from me. Oh, too far. I hate that. Get me the fuck out of there. I wanted my 10 karma. I'm useless. Yeah, this is the place. This is a moment. Oh, I'm gaming. Shut up. It was literally so long that I picked up a pen and paper and started drawing. Oh, this fucking place. Holy shit, I hate this place. I've only ever come here once, and it was with TV, and we died like 15 million times. Oh. Shout out. Oh. Okay, whatever, I guess. What? He just fucking killed himself. What was that? Oh, no. I'm sorry. Fuck. Oh, what happened to you? Oh, fuck, right, your corpse. Wait, didn't... Oh, shit, fuck, I forgot.
Dead.
Oh. I don't notice these things. Well, you know what? I got a free set of electric spears out of that. Did you just reset us? What did you do? Oh, you motherfucker. Thanks. Yeah, I know there's a beast coming. That's fine. Oh, don't fucking kill me, please. I'm begging you. Where am I? I can't see what. Fucking Jesus Christ. I'm alive. Yo, go kill this red one with my rock. Oh, right. What happened to me? Did I fucking jump in the way? Did I get down, Mr. President? That fucking lizard that we were both oh, right. Oh. Yeah, I was gonna say, are you sure? Got his ass. Fuck you. No, my spear. You come back here with that. Oh, fuck. What? You want my shit? I'm not giving you my shit. Oh, I hate this. I don't know what's going on. Where's your body? What happened to your body? Bastard. Give me my fucking spear. Give me any spear. Please? Why? I was in the middle of 15 spears. I don't like what's going on here. I hate this actually. This is kind of bad. This is kind of gross. Oh, I'm gonna fucking die. I can't move. Help. Where am I? Help. I'm stuck. Child. This child does not match us at all. I think you cheated. Oh, that's me. Kill, 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 kill. Violence, violence, violence. Murder him, murder him, murder him. Kill him, murder him. He's running. He knows. Why did it know? Why was it so aware? Game crash? Game actually just fucking crash as you were sleeping? That's awesome.